In this new video, we're going to explore a new Cilium feature that lets you advertise Kubernetes service over your local network. And something maybe you've done before with MetalLB, but now you can do it natively with Cilium. And that's kind of an alternative to using BGP. And I've shown you in some videos how you can use Cilium and the embedded BGP daemon to advertise IP addresses over BGP to remote peers, which works great. Now what you might want to do is, if you don't have a local BGP peer, or if you just want to advertise services locally over layer 2, you can now use Cilium to reply to ARP requests over your local network. So if you have a local network like your 172.19.0.0/24 network here, if you have clients connected to that network and trying to access a service of the type load balancer or service with an external IP set on your cluster, you can enable Cilium to reply to ARP requests. And we're going to have a look at it in a demo, and let's get started. So in this demo, what I've got is a couple of local pods, Death Star pods, and I've got a service fronting this pods. It's a cluster IP service, but we've set up an external IP, almost like a static IP address set to front these pods. And as you can see, it's a 12.0.0.100 network, and I've got a local client on the 12.0.0.1 on the same network, and I want to enable access from that kind of external client to that service into my pods. And right now, if I do a curl request, it's unsuccessful because nobody's replying to the ARP request for this specific IP address. Again, you can see, which is 12.0.0.100. Now we're going to enable Cilium with that new feature, and let's have a quick look at CRD, which is Cilium L2 announcement policy. What we do with this policy is we're enabling Cilium to reply to ARP requests, and we can say on which nodes we're going to apply this functionality, on which interfaces, for which services. So again, if services have a specific label, and for which type of services, and whether it's external IP or service of the type load balancer, and we're going to go ahead and deploy it. Now it's been enabled. Now our service is actually has not got that specific color and label, has a red color. So right now, even though we've applied this policy, it still won't work. And again, we're going to verify that connectivity is not working. Again, because this policy only applies to services with the label color equals blue. This only applies to this type of services. So we're going to go and patch this, the label on this service. And we're going to double check this time color has been set to blue. And we are going to show that again that now Cilium is replying to ARP request. So this time, when we try to connect, we are successful. So Cilium has been able to reply to the ARP request, but we're just going to verify by looking at the output of the TCP dump. Let's have a quick look. So you can see I've just been capturing all the ARP requests, and you can see that my client was looking for the MAC address for 12.0.0.100. And eventually the reply came, which was 12.0.0.100 is at this specific MAC address, finishes with BC E7. And again, we can verify that's actually the interface of the Cilium managed node. So that's how we've been able to have successful connectivity by deploying a layer 2 announcement policy based on a specific label. We were able to reply to our queries from our local client and enable connectivity from our local client over layer 2 to our Kubernetes services. And that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.